Hi guys, welcome to my campervan complete restoration. It's a Type 25 camper. He's called Charlie, he's awesome. This is some of the things that we've done. We just had a run through of fitting the kitchen unit in. I don't know what you think about this, but just there where I'm pointing, there would be a sink. I'm thinking of maybe not using a sink and just having one of those bowls, like a pop-up bowl that you can just put water in, and then when you're finished, chuck the water away, flatten the bowl and put it away, just so that you've got more kind of unit to work on. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think. With the hob, I've had the idea that rather than have a hob that's actually fixed, this you can just take it outside and cook outdoors if you're making something smelly and you don't want to get all the cooking smells in the camper van. This is where we've added the silver insulation, as you can see now, and where these kind of black bits are here is where we're going to add the sheep's wool insulation. That's now been done. We're going to then add a membrane over the top of that. And then I've done the floor. This is what I'm going to put down on the floor. It looks absolutely amazing. We had a bit of a fit through in the camper van. If you'd like to follow this restoration, please do drop a subscribe. That would be amazing. And on Friday, I'm off to the NEC, to the motorhome show, be filming that. So there will be a video out Friday. Make sure you catch that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.